This matter na serious matter wey we need to talk about. I know say many people don react to the video. Juliet TV show don react about am. The issue na that one wey dem dey come out dey talk say make men save for their future, make fathers save for their future because their children go forget them, na only their mother dem go remember. How you reason am? If papa show love to pikin, pikin go forget am. I know many people wey be say dem love their father more than their mother because their father was there. Money no be everything. No be say you pay school fees, you pay house rent, na pikin go take know. Na your wife na dey know those ones more. Your children, wetin dem need na that love, and na so wife still need am. That instant love wey be say you dey near am, you tell am sweet words. Pikin fall, you rush go carry am as a father, you pet am. Pikin come back from school, tell you say see wetin happen for school. You don say na so e happen. Even if you be father wey you dey come back very late, you dey work, e dey tedious, sometimes make time, give yourself holiday, give yourself break. And even if say na office you dey work, dem dey give break. That time dem give you that holiday, no use am go dey find side chick wey you go come out later in the future say your children no come remember you. Spend time with your family. Take your children out. Tell them sweet words, tell them stories. Make them get memories of you spending time with them. Not be money. Say you can't pay their school fees, you come buy bring money, make dem take buy clothes for them. Poor man dey live with your children, love go dey. Hey daddy, buy me this. I don't have the money now. Don't worry, I will buy it for you. Don't worry, I have it in mind. He go still dey tell you, no children, daddy, you've not bought that thing for me. Don't worry, I'm gathering money to buy it. I will buy it in a special day. Now so you go just dey tell am, no be this one, no be say na lie. You dey let am know say no worry, daddy go soon get money go come, I go take you out to those places. The more wey dey grow, they know say, oh, my papa na person wey no get. He come like this, he tell you say see wetin dem do am for school, or see wetin him friend do am. Are you there to talk to that child, give her encouragement? No be say mama carry pikin for womb na dey create that love. Na the way wey mama dey for that pikin, na him go baff am, na him go wear am cloth, na him go pet am when he dey cry, na him go feed am, take am out for park. Wetin be love? Na all these things na dey build love. Na him build the love between your wife and your children. Na him. Make you wey be father sit down think am, say if somebody show me love like this, you wey dey talk sef wey say make dem save for their future because children go forget them, na only mama na children dey remember. You no dey remember your mama because your mama show you love pass your papa. Even if you say you love your papa pass, now check am wetin make you love your papa pass. Now because say your father was there too. You do something wey no good, you go tell you say this thing no good in a peaceful way, in a loving way. No be say na get away, hey, don't come here. I'm just tired. Pikin wan just, you no know wetin pikin wan tell you, you don't say no, go and meet your mother. Pikin for come, ìyàwó, my love, anything wey you dey call your wife, come carry this pikin make you check wetin do am. Can't you get up and check? That pikin dey hear all those things. Tomorrow you go say the pikin no love you. That person wey come carry am up that time wey he fall, na him register say this person na him care for me. If you like, carry money, put for the whole table. That pikin no go register am like that. So fathers, una hear, I know say some fathers dey good. They take care of their children, bath their children, take them to school. Just they do like wetin the mother go do. They no write am for head say na mother na him suppose do those things. Because this way we dey talk now, we dey protect our old age, show our children love. And we, through us, now these children take come. Let's show them love. You don't show them that love where they need that time when they're young. They no go remember you. Carry phone, call your pikin, how are you? This you say, they even tell say, nah, the mothers, na him go when the children don't grow, now they will travel up and down. You get who say when you not travel. You took build better relationship with your children. Now you not travel. See this vlogger, Miss Trudy. She surprised her father. He renovate house for his father. Because he talk and say na his father, na him dey there. His father sacrifice everything when they're small to make them happy. To make her happy. So how that kind of person no take care of your father? See now, anything she dey talk, your father, her father, her father. When you show person love, now you that person go dey run follow. Even animal self, buy dog, you not show am love. Your neighbor show am love. Now they give am food. Now they use hand they rub him head. Your dog will see you start to back yourself. Now neighbor now you go dey run the follow. Now so it just be. That's why you see some children picking, they not gonna say this one na my mama, this one na my papa. Who take care of person? Now they take like him. You can be biological mother and father, but that real love will come dey for that person will show you love. And so it be. If na auntie, if na sister, if na uncle, if na neighbor, if na somebody else will adopt you. Now that person will show you love. Now you dey close to. Now you they take as your person. So make some fathers not they back up or they stay for say children not they remember fathers. Now the way some of them they treat children now make up. Now the way one actually not be mother tell them say not take care. Some say now the way mothers they tell children bad about their fathers. Now waiting you act. Mother not feel they tell pikin say your papa not like you. When he be say pikin come near papa, papa go carry am for leg, put am for head, put him head for in chest like this. They pet am, pikin sleep. Once a while, papa fit dance with am, papa fit play with am, play ball with am, all those things. You come, mama go come the time say, you go ask mom, you go ask him mama say, no, you go tell mama say, why are you saying daddy don't love me? You go even tell papa, mommy say you don't love me, but you play with me. So may you fight for the love of your children. Just the way mothers they do. They not write time for head saying that mothers now you supposed to do. Now you supposed to show pikin love. So when mother they enjoy what you suffer for, more than not they jealous. More than self fight for the love of your children. Let them know say you love them. Take them out. Play with them. Tell them stories. Bath them. Call them for phone, the big ones. Where be say maybe they're not there with you again. Call them for phone. How now they do this one, that, all those things. Build love with your children. Build that relationship with your children. Where be say your children go fit tell you anything. You see pikin now mother you go meet, they tell things, you know go meet him papa. Some fathers. No. Now get pikin or now boy pikin. Build that relationship with your pikin. Say your pikin will trust you, tell you word. You go see and that pikin no go forget you. That old age where you they fear, say they go abandon you. They no go abandon you if you build that relationship on time with your children. Not mind anything that they talk. So whether they talk for social media, they say make on a save for them. Wait till they save. Wait till they save. Money. Money where you feel then they feel keep money. You save and finish that business where you invest, put a wreck and call a fall. Or you a bank where you save the money, put safe, come food and call. Or how? Say the thing where you plan not come work. That old age how you come be now. So not just rely on say saving. Save the thing for your children's hearts. Build the love. Let me the thing I get where I say I can't talk with Donna. If you get your own suggestion, may you drop for the comment section. If you never subscribe for our channel, may you try subscribe. Now me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, baby breeder concept. I see you on for my next video. God bless you.